Hi peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got some Friday finishes for you. So I'm going to start off with my small snack canvas. This is my finish. So this is the Luminous Cat 30 by 30 partial special shaped drill canvas from GBFKE. Let's have a little look and see if we can get it to glow up. Bear with me a second while I'll attack it a bit with the old UV torch. There you go. It's not quite dark enough in here for you to see, but hopefully you can get an idea of where the glow happens. It looks really stunning. I think it's so fun. Lots of colour. It was super quick to do. The only thing I found was I was 2 drills short on one of the special shapes. These two here. Bring you down a bit so you can have a proper look. Yeah, so these two here in the head, they were supposed to be these gold ones here, same as these, and yeah, not enough, but 2 spare of those, and I think that works just fine. In fact, maybe even better. Yeah, and then I've just surrounded it with some incredibly gaudy colours of metallic washi tape just to give it a nice border. I think that these bright sort of clashy colours go really nicely together. I enjoyed working on it. There was no problems with glue or quality of drills. Yeah, all grand, really lovely. It was originally on their website at £6.77. Is currently, at the time of recording this, it is on sale. You can be the proud owner of one of these for £3.39. Absolute bargain. Great little project if you've got young ones who don't want to complete your big full drill canvas, and a fun thing to hang up in the house so that it can spook you in the middle of the night when you walk past it. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. Really nice. So my second finish for this week is not a diamond painting. This is my second finish, my very first attempt at punch needle. I will input some footage here of me working on it. So it is by no means perfect. There are lots of lumpy bumpy bits, but then there are also bits that I'm really pleased with that came out really nicely, and it was a great starter project that allowed me to sort of get the hang of it. I still need to work out some better ways to finish off the canvas. At the moment I have folded over the back just to cover up all the lumps, bumps, knots and loose ends, and then I've just covered it with a piece of thin card just to give it some stability. I've been displaying it on a little A stand on my shelf, and that works quite nicely. But I would like to, you know, come up with some ways to finish off these edges a bit nicer, just so it looked a little more professional. I have seen people turn these into pot mats, so to stop you burning your surfaces. Again, you'd need to finish the edge nicely for that, and I don't know how to do that, so that's something for a later date. I have got another punch needle kit to work on, so when I get around to that, I will obviously give you an update on how my skills have improved. The punch needle that I used was this one. It was great. I had no problems with it. This also came from Spell Queen with the kit. I struggled a little bit following the instructions for how to thread it, but a little Google, watched a YouTube video of somebody else doing it, and actually threading the needle was probably the hardest bit. Once I had that down, everything else sort of came together. They gave you plenty of yarn to work with. There was more than enough. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how it came out. Just to remind you of the pricing, they're punch needle kits, which do include the sewing hoop and everything else that you need. They start at $27.99, but they often have deals and offers. I have got an offer code in the description, so if you would like to save a bit of money and you've not ordered from Spell Queen before, you can pop down there, use the code, save yourself a little bit of money. Okay, so that is my Friday finishes. That is all I have finished this week. I have also been working on the Dragonfly and Petals canvas, which is nearly complete, and I cannot wait to be able to show it to you. I'm really pleased with how it's coming along. Okay, so wishing everybody an absolutely fabulous weekend. If you enjoy my content, please do consider leaving a like, comment, share with a friend. Why not subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.